everyone, it's Sandhya and welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another video. So in today's video, I'm going to talk about the only hair products that you need to maintain healthy hair and are also pocket friendly. So without any further ado, let's just begin with this video. But before that, do make sure you have subscribed to my channel and let's begin. So let me tell you guys how it all started. So I've heard a lot about keratin and how it is good for your hair, but obviously it is not possible for everyone to get like keratin hair treatment done because obviously it is very expensive. So I researched about it, like कौन से product हैं जिनमें keratin होता है and how it is good for your hair, and therefore I landed upon Loreal Paris Total Repair 5 range. So these have keratin excess in it which penetrates deep into the hair, hence giving effective results. So Loreal Paris Total Repair 5 range is one solution to 5 problems that we all face, that is dehydration, stiffness, split ends, brittleness and straw-like texture. So I've been using the Loreal Paris Total Repair 5 shampoo for more than a year now and I absolutely love it. And the thing that really elevates the new Total Repair 5 range is that it is now infused with keratin excess. So it penetrates deep into the hair fiber, hence giving the most quick and effective results. So there are 3 super easy steps when using the Loreal Paris Total Repair 5 range. Step number 1 is obviously shampoo, and this one is Loreal Paris Total Repair 5 Repairing Shampoo. It has 4% repair concentrate with keratin. So you can use this on a daily basis. Like I wash my hair in every 2 to 3 days and I like to use this on every wash. And again, if you are someone जो अपने hair daily wash करता है, you can definitely use this regularly. Step number 2 is obviously the Loreal Paris Total Repair 5 Restoring Conditioner. It has 9% repair concentrate with keratin, and again you can use this on a daily basis, like whenever you are using your shampoo you can follow it by this conditioner. And step number 3 is this Loreal Paris Total Repair 5 Smoothing and Repairing Serum. It is a leave-on treatment, like you don't have to rinse it and you have to use this once a week.
If I walk to the sea, maybe I never say fall into the light. Every time I try to breathe, but when you're right and carry me where I've loved and I have died. So I won't hold back, and you should know that what's never good, just have regrets. So I won't go back, oh, when I got me too.
My hair definitely looks and feels amazing. It's smooth and shiny as compared to what it used to be. It has completely restored the health of my hair. 5 problems fixed with one solution. So this range is really great. I've struggled so much in the past finding the right products for damage repair and nourishment that is long lasting and effective on the hair. And this range has provided an easy method to solve these issues and restore the health of my hair. So I'm looking forward to use this Loreal Paris Total Repair 5 range in my weekly hair care routine. I absolutely love the result and I've seen how effective it is while using it on a regular basis. So let's just quickly talk about the prices of these products. So the shampoo retails for Rs 179 for 192.5 ml. The conditioner retails for Rs 209 for again 192.5 ml, and the serum retails for Rs 175 for 40 ml. I will mention the prices of all these products in the description box as well with their respective links, so do check that out. And with that said, I really hope you enjoyed watching this. If you do, then don't forget to like this video, leave a comment and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.